Hi guys, so welcome to Billy's Life, and now I'm gonna show you the corn plantation. Look how amazing it is. We've got corn over here. I think this one is ready to harvest. Say that corn grows from 160 days. From 60 days, it's ready to harvest. This one is ready to be a polenta. First time to see a corn plant. Really amazed me. Look at those. There's plenty more. All the way there. God has really created a lot of beautiful things. Really amazing, isn't it? So guys, this is the fruit. This is the corn where the polenta is made out of. Look, there's plenty of fruit. Wow, look at that. It's really amazing. It's my first time to see the corn plantation. Look how amazing it is. We have corn fruit over here. Hi guys, so welcome to Billy's Life, and today I'm gonna show you, look at all of this. These are eggplant and tomatoes. So here is the plantation of the eggplant. Look at those eggplant over here. Oh, it's like how many more days and it's ready to harvest. Look at those. Those are eggplants. And right over here on this side is the tomato plantation. Look at this. There's plenty of the tomatoes. And over there are ready to harvest already. There are red and orange tomatoes that are ripe already. Let's go in. Wow, it's so cute. It's really amazing how God gave us this beautiful and amazing plants and vegetables. And right over there are the corn. Right over there. Oh look, there's something that falls. It's a tomato. It's really amazing. Look at these eggplants. There are plenty of eggplants, some small, medium, and large. There's plenty of eggplant up until there. So this is their harvest already. There's plenty tomatoes. And that's all from here. Wow, it's really amazing. It's so amazing, guys, to be in the province. Look at all of this. So you don't have to go to the market to get some corn because you have it already. So comment, guys, below. What do you have in your province? Like vegetables or fruits? These are amazing corn. Thank you for watching, guys. See you soon.